Hello students, I am Mr. C. Today our topic is making a comparison stronger or weaker. Before we start our lesson today, let's have a quick revision to the comparative degree. We have learned the comparison of adjective and adverb. So when do we use comparative form? We use it to compare two unequal things or persons 来做两个不同的东西来做比较。For example, 不相同的东西啊。For example, Mei-Ling is prettier than Mei-Mei. So we know that Mei-Ling is prettier. David is more careless. So to compare, David is more careless compared to me. The next one, my shoes are cleaner. Which is heavier, iron or lead? So we use comparative to showcase two unequal things. Alright, now let's have a look at the comparative adjective. The first one is the one syllable adjective. What is the meaning of one syllable? One syllable means 一个音节. For example, long, tall, large, hot, big, straight. Look at the word straight. Straight, there are a lot of letters in one word, but there is only one syllable, straight. So when we see one syllable word, we all use er to change it into comparative. Long, longer, straight, straighter, big, bigger. When we look at two syllable adjective, which means that there are two syllables 两个音节, we need to consider it, memorize whether we use more or er here. For example, honest, we use more honest, but happy, we use happier. So these are the other examples. Look for yourself. Now let's have a look at three or more syllables. When you see three syllables, it's easy. Definitely repeat more here. Expensive, we use more expensive. Popular, we use more popular. And then this one is the most important. You need to memorize it. Irregular verb. It's an irregular adjective. So when we see this word, we cannot use er or more. We need to change to another word. For example, good, better, bad, worse, far, farther or further. For some of the situation, we can only use further. It depends on the situation. Many we change to more and little we change to less. This one you need to memorize it. So today our topic is to make a comparison stronger or weaker. You can see the rules. Use a lot or much or far to make a comparative stronger. For example, Mei-Ling is prettier than Mei-Mei. But when we use Mei-Ling is far prettier than Mei-Mei, so which means that this make the comparison stronger, 更加的美丽。远远超过了美美的美。Another example here, use a bit or little to make a comparative weaker. For example, Mei-Ling is a bit 一点点美，美过美美。A bit prettier to make the comparison weaker. 它们比较其实没有很大，它差别没有很大，但是还是比较美。But when use is far prettier, it make the comparison stronger. Let's look at example here. You can see the Tim is definitely taller, not a bit taller, far taller. So here we need to use Tim is a lot. We can use Tim is taller than Owen. It's no problem. But here when we use a lot means that we focus on it makes the comparative stronger. Tim is a lot taller than Owen. This is the same. We use Tim is much taller and Tim is far taller. So remember before we can use Tim is taller, definitely there is no mistake. But if you use a lot, much or far, we can see that the comparative is stronger. We want to focus on the comparative. Now let's look at the picture here. John is 143 kilograms and Andrew is 140 kilograms. So you can know that the difference is only 3 kilograms. So it's not a lot heavier. So here we need to say John is a bit heavier than Jack. Or you can say John is a little heavier than Jack. So this is quite easy for you. Now let's try to do the quiz. Try your best to do a quiz. I'll see you later. Bye bye.